Hey everybody! Today we're going to look at a review page to help us understand the difference between dividing a whole number by a unit fraction, like in this first example, and how that is different from dividing a whole number by a non-unit fraction, like with this number. Now remember, today on Envisions, your Topic 11 test is going to become available for you to work on. So if you feel ready to start working on that topic test, you are welcome to do that anytime between now and Friday. If you feel like you still need a brush up, you should focus on this assignment today and tomorrow's review assignment, and then work on your topic test after that. Okay, remember that the best way to learn from a math video is to actively take notes while I'm showing the example. Remember our rule. Every time I'm writing, you should be writing. So I'm going to work this problem, and I want you to work it along with me in your math notebook. We're going to take two wholes and divide each of them into 3 equal pieces, or thirds. I can show this with an area model. Here's one whole, and here's another whole. When I divide them into thirds, I can show 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. Notice that this is not a very efficient way of recording this problem, but it does help us to see that 2 divided by 1/3 equals 6 pieces, or 6 thirds. If you are looking for a faster, more efficient way to solve this problem, here's how you would do it. 2 divided by 1/3 is the same as 2 times the reciprocal of 1/3, which is 3/1. To solve this, I can put 2 over a denominator of 1, because that does not change the value of my fraction. It's just a way of showing a whole number in fraction form, times the reciprocal of 1/3 gives me 6, because 2 times 3 is 6, and 1 times 1 is just 1. 6/1 is the same as 6. So that's a way of double checking it. Okay, let's look at this next example. We're going to take 3 and divide it into 3/4 and count how many pieces we have. Let's show it with an area model. We're going to start with 3 wholes, and we're going to divide each whole into 3/4. So here's my first group of 3/4. Here's my second group of 3/4. Here's my third group of 3/4. That leaves me with just one more group of 3/4 here. How many groups of 3/4 is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. For a faster, more efficient way to double check your work, take 3 divided by 3/4. We're going to multiply 3 times the reciprocal of 3/4. The reciprocal or inverse of 3/4 is 4/3. If I put 3 over a denominator of 1, it doesn't change the value of that whole number. It's just a way of expressing my whole number as a fraction. 3/1 times 4/3 gives me 12/3, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay, so now here's your time to shine. Draw a picture that shows each division problem and write the answer. So you need to show me an area model for 2 divided by 1/2, and don't forget your quotient or your answer, and then do the same thing for number 2, 2 divided by 1/3. Remember, you're going to count how many pieces you'll have when you divide 2 wholes into halves. Similarly, for number 2, you'll be counting how many pieces you have when you divide 2 wholes into 3 equal pieces. So that's the key. Remember, your answer for problems like this, you're going to have a whole number for your answer.